John's gonna make a little video.
Okay, September 29th, 2019. This will be the last time I visit this house. At least certainly closing I think is Monday or Tuesday. The first time I came to this house, baby, was 1985 and I couldn't find it.
That's right, you were at Famous Pizza.
Yeah.
When there used to be phone booths.
Yeah, I had to stop.
Calling me.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
But I found it today.
I hope so. 35 years later.
Yeah, about 34.
34 years
How you
over
feeling?
34.
How you feeling?
You know, it's sad,
Yeah,
but I'm glad she's moving.
yeah.
It's time.
Yeah.
It's time for someone else to enjoy this house and
yeah.
raise a family in it and have memories.
Yeah.
But we used to, so we bought this magnolia for her for Mother's Day one year when we were little. Well, Pop bought it. We
Yeah.
gave it to her.
Yeah. All right.
And we used to...
Roughly when do you think that was?
No, probably 40 years ago at least.
Yeah, before
Or
40 more years ago. Was it as tall as, were you taller than the tree?
it was in a little pot.
Yeah, it was a little pot, yeah.
And we used to play kickball over here.
How are you feeling?
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Will this
Last time cleaning my stove, John.
will this be the last day? Are you coming tomorrow or is this it?
I don't know, maybe I'll have to come tomorrow. I'm not...
This bedroom. Who are you?
Me and Melissa.
You and Melissa. Just, you know, a lot of just getting along and sharing stories.
My dad was over there.
I was in my quiet room and then the silence was often shattered by whatever.
Oh yeah, sure, whatever. You used to be complaining about Matt's toys.
Quiet in there for a while. How old was he when he came in here? Anyway?
How old? Probably when he was born. I don't know.
Mom's room for a while.
Was he?
Must have been.
I don't remember.
I remember this being my room.
Oh,
I went to school, my desk. I put my clothes for the next day right here on top of the chair in the
he's
desk.
still a weirdo.
Single bed, bureau, desk.
Yeah, I don't know why you got your own room. I was the oldest. I am the oldest.
So this is the scene of the great Easter, my first introduction to overeating Glasser anyways. So it was the Easter, probably the first or second Easter we were dating, probably first. Came over here, big picnic table here full of people. I think Jonathan was here, you know. Was Jonathan here? Maybe not.
Probably, yeah.
Big Italian antipasto. I don't know if there was pasta, there was either chicken, you know, there was more sausage. Unbelievable amount of food. I ate so much I could barely even walk. So but that's not all. Then a half an hour later, a roast and mashed potatoes and vegetables come out, Gene. What are you trying to do? I thought they were trying to fat me up for the kill, you know? And hence, now I have a body by Gene right here, because I blame you, Gene. But that was right here. Those are a lot of great memories here. And I told, you know, the first time I came to this house to pick Lynn up in 1985, and Matt was like,
Oh God, Matt was...
he was so young he wasn't annoying yet.
He was 15 in 1985.
Yeah. So a lot of good memories in this house. You know, I didn't grow up here, but throughout the years, of course, I spent a lot of time here.
I thought I was doing, and then I put the rag upside
Yeah,
down.
we're not going to show Michelle the movie, don't worry.
He just thought he saw some ice cream down there. That was
Chris,
all.
do you have
No
any
cleaning
memories?
happening here.
Do you want to share a memory, Chris, for the...
Oh, my memories are too many baked goods coming out of that oven. I miss those.
The Christmas tree used to be, let me get a different perspective. We used to have the Christmas tree in that corner, and there was a couch here, and I think a love seat over under the window there. And Santa used to leave all our presents in different spots, so we knew our spots. And I have to collect myself. This is harder than I thought it would be. Anyway, Our portraits used to be on the walls that Cousin Benny painted. We used to slide down the stairs on our tummies and butts, and I actually fell down the stairs when I was a teenager and smashed into the air hockey game. And let's go up. Oh. Look who's in his old room. Look who's in his old room.
This right here is the hole that Lynn and Melissa drilled in the wall through their room so they could steal the telephone line.
What?
Because there's not one of these in your room.
I don't have I have a telephone connection in my room.
Where?
That used to be a telephone connection.
Oh, not anymore.
I didn't drill a hole there.
You guys
Dad probably
drilled the hole through the
there.
walls and they took the telephone line through into here.
Wow.
I don't know.
Yeah,
I mean, if she wants to
yeah.
have Frank
Are
take
you doing
it.
this just so in case they say anything?
Well, I didn't think about that
Yeah.
until now, but
Right.
maybe.
Yeah.
So when you come down the basement with me? I mean, all of
It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it.
I still can't believe that. Why didn't we take before pictures?
So, Mom, when did you move in here? When did you move in here?
1966.
Wow. So I
What was
was,
the date?
what was the date, do you know?
What was the date?
I don't know, it was September 19.
September.
Oh, so I had just turned 4 when we moved in here. And Richard was 2 and you were 1.
So this is harder than I thought it would be.
Yes. I am feeling the same way.
Yep.
Lots of good memories. Lots of other memories too, but lots of good
We
memories.
won't share. Kaplan, you must have memories. You've been around for a while. John shared memories. before
Been
you
around
left.
for a while, though.
Kaplan,
The first time I came right up those steps.
Really?
oh, you came to the front door.
You come to the front door because you're a nerd.
How formal.
No, I didn't.
No, because he did it right.
Yeah.
Came to the front door. Your mom answered, yeah. And then your dad, I saw her in the driveway and he looked at me and said, "How old are you?"
John McCarthy's story is he got lost on his way here and had
Really?
to call from Famous Pizza.
Oh,
and I had no
Oh my
idea.
God.
Well, that
Yeah.
doesn't surprise me.
No, so it's a much different story from Kaplan.
And it was in here that your dad opened up that little, surprise.
No, it was
present.
in the other
Wasn't it?
room, yes.
I thought it was in here.
Surprise present.
We used to open up presents in here.
Yeah.
Our stockings, though, we opened in there. And he opened, it was in his stocking. You had put it in his stocking. It was a tampon.
Oh, a tampon.
It was like wrapped in the package it comes in.
Why did
like
you give him a-
She found, I don't know how we found
Or a
it.
pad or
Presents.
something, yeah.
It was a
He
pad.
did it as a
It
joke.
was a square and I
Yeah.
wrapped in a thing, so I just said, "Let me just wrap this up," and I threw it in his stocking.
Oh my
And he opened
gosh.
it up and said, "What the hell?"
Do you remember that, Mom? No. No.
There she
You
is.
alright?
She, Elena's wrecking the upstairs.
Oh my gosh. Elena, bring
Wow.
me,
I'm so sorry to leave my house, but
Did
what
you
can
do
I
the stairs? Okay, bring the brush.
Did you share, Elena?
The tea parties we used to have on the porch with Graham and the dogs.
Yeah, the dog
Like the
birthday
dog's
parties.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
dog birthday parties.
Yeah.
And when I remember me, Julia, and Haley were all sitting on those stools at the kitchen, and Haley fell backwards. Her old chair tipped back
All of
and
our
hit the wall.
stories are Haley or Jacob getting injured here.
Yeah, Jacob down the stairs and Pop yelling at us. Like one of us pushed him.
Oh, Jacob.
Even back then, Jacob had people like,
Yeah.
Go get with Graham, you girls.
Great.
Get a cute picture.
Oh, my sweetheart.
Weeza,
She's so lucky I'm gonna
Come.
be staying with her. How could be more
I
lucky
know.
than Elena?
get in there with Graham and Elena. Go get on the other side of Graham.
With your cleaning stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, my
Cute.
girls.
So sweet.
Doesn't matter which way.
I will. Are we?
Toast.
One last
Matt,
toast.
wish you were here, Matt.
Wish you were here, Maddie.
I can play the part of Matt,
You can
except
play the
shorter.
part of Matt.
I'll be short. I'll be Matt when he was 13.
I'm thinking about the time when we were playing here.
The doghouse.
Yeah, the doghouse. This
So
used
that
to
was
be a
it right
laundry
there.
chute. It
Wow.
pulled open.
Yeah.
It doesn't anymore.
Yeah, wow.
But it used
Why
to
not?
pull open.
Oh, so that's the
And
thing.
that was the doghouse,
What would,
and
what would
apparently,
possess you to go in there?
apparently I was in the doghouse, and I
Yeah,
was
but that's-
hanging when
yeah.
Richard was holding my hands.
I thought it was her
Doghouse.
feet. You weren't going down head
No,
first?
she backed into the
Oh,
doghouse.
okay.
Yeah. That's one of my
That's
Who
memories.
saved you, mom or dad?
Dad, I believe.
Dad heard you
Yeah,
yelling?
yeah.
Yeah, Dad.
Yeah.
Mom must have heard something.
I think you were
and
both
said, "Dad."
yelling, that's what you said. You
Yeah.
were both screaming.
Yeah. And then I was thinking about the time that we locked ourselves out of the house. Was that winter time?
Was that the time you were naked?
It might have been
No.
fall. No.
You said it was cold because you put your father's slippers on
We
or
put,
something.
yeah, we did. That might have been a dip. Was that the,
Oh, maybe it
that was the same
late
time?
fall, early winter.
Yes, and we put
Little
we
sip of
each
beer.
had
Sure. I'll
a
take it.
different shoe of my father's on, and went down to the mailbox, and when we got back, we realized we had locked ourselves out of the house.
Well, there were no cute baby stories about me, so I don't have any stories like that to tell.
I had my white and blue polo on when that happened.
What? Are you kidding me? You remember that? No, you don't remember
He
that.
doesn't
My
remember, he
shirt.
doesn't remember what
Oh,
I said to
wow.
him
What kind of
yesterday.
underwear were
The
you
only
wearing?
baby story I remember about Lynn is in that room downstairs when she threw her glass baby bottle and it smashed against the wall.
Do you remember witnessing that?
You don't know that. You
I
were
thought
too
that
little.
happened when they lived in Providence.
Yes, it
It happened somewhere.
did. It happened
Now
when we
you're
lived in
making things
Providence.
up.
You're making shit up now.
Well, you
I
definitely-
remember how
you
my
definitely
parents
did it. I don't know
used
where it
to,
was.
they put a lock on their bedroom door so that
Oh,
when
boy.
they had
Do
a
we want this
new
story on
box
here?
of chocolates,
Well, Graham
Oh,
used to.
oh,
yeah.
Oh, all right.
they would lock us out.
Well, that's not why the lock.
Yes, that's what I mean. I thought the story was going somewhere else.
Yeah,
We'll
well,
talk about why the lock went on the
the
door,
lock went on
but
the door because somebody walked
Yeah.
in on something. That's why the lock went on the door.
that was
And
me.
then after, and then
Not a
after
good
that,
memory.
Graham's students used to give her a chocolate for Christmas presents and end of the school year presents, and
Oh my
they would
God.
never share them with us. They'd lock themselves in the room
Oh
and
my
eat them.
God.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Evil.
I walked in on them downstairs in front of the fireplace.
You did not.
Yes, I did. Dad chased me back up.
Oh, all kinds of stuff is
Wow.
going on.
That
The grandchildren are at the
is
bottom of the stairs.
I know,
TMI.
right?
Yeah,
You never
right.
told us
I
that.
never heard that.
That's the first time I've heard
Jeez.
that.
Grandma.
Wow.
That happened. I don't know.
I was
Probably
18.
like 8 to 10, probably. That happened. The
God.
baby bottle smash happened.
No, it happened in Providence.
I remember when
It
Lynn
happens
fell
somewhere.
down these stairs
Oh,
one
yeah.
morning and I was laying in bed laughing
Yeah, I
hysterically.
was probably like 16
Oh,
or
yeah.
something. Yeah, and I
Your,
smashed into
your
the air
ankle
hockey
was
game.
all,
And the air hockey game we got for Christmas one year, and we were up super early that morning, and we were playing, and I think we broke a couple of ornaments on the tree.
Oh, did
probably
we?
with
I
the-
don't remember.
With the little pucks from the air hockey game.
Yeah, maybe, possibly.
Yeah.
So this was the scene of many battles.
Oh, yes.
I used to put a dividing line down the room and say, do not come on my side of the room, except
But
that
see,
I used to forget I
when I-
did that, but Melissa's side of the room had the door on it, so.
but you were in that.
Bed was, her twin bed was right here against that wall. We had a little night table, and then my twin bed was right here.
That was the
And-
cheese factory.
And we had
In my bed, at
we had
least.
a desk right there. I'm not saying mean things.
No, he is.
Cheese
Lynn's
factory,
bureau
that's not
was-
mean.
Okay, listen to me, don't listen to them. Okay. I'm trying to tell you where our stuff was.
Okay.
Lynn's bureau was here and mine was right there.
All right.
And I do remember that Dad, every night, would peek in our rooms to say goodnight. Mom never did, but, but Dad always, always.
He used to come in and kiss us on the forehead.
Yes.
Yeah.
I remember Dad coming in every night.
And I remember
It was
figuring
a
out
mess.
about the tooth fairy, because I would think I woke up and Dad was slipping a pillow under my, quarter under my,
A quarter, yeah, back
I think
then it was a
I
quarter.
think it was a quarter or 50 cents or something like that under my pillow, but I never said anything to him, because I didn't want to ruin it.
Yeah, you didn't want to ruin it for Dad.
Yeah, I didn't want to ruin it for, or, yeah, I guess, both of us, yeah.
Dad was very much into that stuff.
Yeah.
That meant a lot to him.
Yep.
Christmas and that, you know,
Yeah.
doing those things, Tooth Fairy and all that stuff was very important to Dad. Yeah.
It was, this side of the room was always neat.
What?
Side wasn't.
Wait, what?
Yes. This side of the room was always neat. This side was chaos.
Oh my
Control,
But
chaos.
so if this side was chaos, who lived on this side? What was
It's
that?
getting deeper and deeper.
Oh, the
All
court.
the court right here, all the way
Oh
back
wow,
to that
so it's
stick.
overgrown. Oh wow, all right.
Really?
So the court goes all the way back there. Huh. The court goes right to there, but it's just like stuff has grown over it. Yeah.
It goes at least to that stick there.
Oh, okay.
That's all court.
Yeah, the pool is like straight ahead, Elena, from where you are right now.
Yeah, just keep going
That
up,
empty
Elena.
grassy spot.
There was
Yeah.
a deck there, and we had an above-ground pool.
And we had a fence on this side,
Oh yeah.
in the back.
What happened to the fence over here? It
The
just
fence eventually
yeah.
rotted and
Yeah, now
Fell
we can
down.
see, yeah.
so everybody came here. We played street hockey mostly.
Yeah, this is real.
There was a basketball thing there. I don't know that one. I don't know where that thing came from.
Used to be all brick patio
Right, and the porch wasn't there either.
originally.
Yep.
Then the porch was our hangout for our neighborhood friends and us.
Card games and
Yep.
board games and
Just
just hanging
talking,
out.
just
Yep.
hanging out. Yeah.
Take a picture of this LSDS that Joe Fanning
Cowboys
fell
and
down.
Indians.
Yeah, I'll have to do that. Yeah.
Cowboys and Indians and hide and seek and kick
We had
the
one
wall
last
and-
shootout in the basement when we were in our teens. You remember
I don't
that?
remember any of
You
this.
want to shoot out?
Jimmy Altieri was here. We were down in the cellar
remember that.
shooting at each other.
I don't remember that.
Let's talk about Jimmy Altieri lying on the living room
Oh,
floor
yeah.
crying because he loved me and I didn't like him.
And he gave Melissa the pillowcase with his face
Oh, yeah.
on it. Yeah. That's locked.
What can I say? Oh no.
You gotta go into the house.
Take a picture of the basement stairs where Joey
Yeah.
Fanning fell down.
Oh, good lord. The party that we had here that mom and dad
Uh-oh.
didn't know about for
The
years.
battery is dying.
All
So
right. Well,
Well,
goodbye.
it's been fun.
It's been
We've had
fun.
great memories and thanks for the memories.
Yep.
Yeah, we'll
Say,
miss my house.
say good night, Graham.
Good night, Graham.
It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we know it. And I feel fine. 6 o'clock TV hour, don't get caught in foreign tower, slash and burn, return. Listen to yourself churn.